Meaning of drizzly.
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 Drizzly. Drizzly refers to weather conditions that are characterized by light rain falling steadily over a prolonged period. This type of weather can create a dreary and damp atmosphere, with a gray and misty quality to the surroundings. People who are caught out in drizzly weather may find themselves getting soaked through slowly, as the rain is not heavy enough to cause immediate discomfort but can accumulate over time. Drizzly weather can also make the ground slippery and muddy, so people should take care when walking outside in these conditions.